Hey, what's going on, fellas? I dropped the truck in the shop. I got all new brakes all around, and I changed the Z-springs or leaf springs on the front. I got the airbags, and this is the Z-spring, and brakes here too. So both of them on both sides are new. Because this bushing right here was gone, only on this side. But I replaced both of them. I'm taking the truck for alignment right now. That's my leaf springs, Z springs or whatever. Look, this bushing was completely gone. This one was so-so. These ones were still maybe okay. I'm taking the truck here, best one. I have to wait a few more minutes. I'm still waiting, fellas. Truck is not in the shop yet.
Yeah, just telling me this morning. This is already
Alignment is done, and there was nothing wrong with it. After they replaced the front leaf springs, this is the old one 2 years ago, and this is the new one today. Almost the same. Back to the shop. Now it's time to pay these guys. It's gonna be a small fortune. Whew. So for everything, the front springs, the leaf springs, and all brakes, 4,600. Shoot.